Welcome back guys to Mathematical Mindset. So we have a square root math problem right here that says the square root of 2 into the square root of 2 into the square root of 2 is equal to 8 raised to the power of x. We are to solve for x. And right here guys, I'm going to share with you two methods in which you can actually use to solve a problem that looks exactly like this. So first thing, let's start with method 1. Now for method 1, the first thing we want to do is to simply rewrite the equation using exponent notation to simplify the nested roots. So we want to simply rewrite the equation. Now we are going to rewrite the equation making use of exponent notation, and we know that the root of a is equals to a raised to the power of 1 over 2. So we want to simply make use of this exponent notation to rewrite this right here. So for this, we are going to have this to be, for the first root, we have this to be 2 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Multiply the second root, we have it to be 2 raised to the power of 1 over 4. And the third root, we have it to be 2 raised to the power of 1 over 8, which is equals to 8 raised to the power of x. Next is to simply apply the laws of exponents to combine the terms on the left-hand side of the equation. So we want to simply apply the law of exponents. So as applying the law of exponents to this, we have this to be 2 raised to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8 equal to 8 raised to the power of x. Now taking the LCM, we have this to be 8. So 2 into 8 is 4. 4 multiply 1, we have this to be 4 plus 4 into 8 is 2. 2 multiply 1 is 2 plus 8 into 8 1. 1 multiply 1 is 1, which is equals to 8 raised to the power of x. So right here we have this to be 2 raised to the power of 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So we have this to be 7 over 8 equals to 8 raised to the power of x. But we know that 8 raised to the power of x can be expressed as a power of 2. So this will be equal to 2 raised to the power of 3 all into x. So we have this to be 2 raised to the power of 7 over 8 is equal to 2 raised to the power of 3x. Now since the bases are the same, all we want to do is to equate the exponent. So since the bases are the same, equate the exponent. So doing this right here, we have that 7 over 8 is equals to 3x. So let's simply multiply this. We know that 7 is equals to 3 times 8x, and 7 is equals to 8 times 3 is 24x. So dividing both sides by 24, this is going to cancel out this. So we know that x is equals to 7 over 24. And this becomes the answer. So this is the first method in which you can use to solve this particular math expression. So let's go into method 2. The next method that you can actually use to solve this, method 2. So the first thing we want to do is to simply square the first part of the equation, and we have our question to be the root of 2 into the root of 2 into the root of 2, which is equals to 8 raised to the power of x. So the first thing we want to do is to square both sides. So squaring both sides, this is going to cancel out this, and we have this to be 2 into the root of 2 into the root of 2, which is equals to 8. 2 times x is 2x. Okay, so that is it. So the next thing we want to do is to simply square both sides one more time. So we square both sides right here. I'm going to square this part also. So we know that this is going to give us 2 raised to the power of 2 squared. Multiply, we have this into the root of 2 into the root of 2 all square is equals to 8 raised to the power of 2 times 2 is 4x. So this is going to cancel out this, and 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4. So we have 4 multiply 2 root 2 equals to 8 raised to the power of 4x. Okay, so at this point 4 multiplied 2 will give us 8. So we have 8 root 2 is equals to 8 raised to the power of 4x. But we know that 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 3. But we know that 8 is equals to 2 raised to the power of 3. So this can be written as 2 raised to the power of 3 root 2 is equals to 2 raised to the power of 3 all into 4x. But we also know that the root of a is equals to a raised to the power of 1 over 2. So applying this to root 2, we have that 2 raised to the power of 3 multiply 2 raised to the power of 1 over 2 is equals to 2 raised to the power of 3 all into 4x. So this becomes, applying the law of exponents, this becomes 2 into 3 plus 1 over 2 is equals to 2 raised to the power of 3 times 4 is 12x. So we solve using the LCM for the power. The LCM here is 2, here is over 1. So 1 into 2 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 into 2 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, is equals to 2 raised to the power of 12x. So we have this to be 2 into 7 over 2 is equals to 2 raised to the power of 12x. So we say since the bases are the same, we are to equate the exponents. So equate the exponents. So we have this to be 7 over 2 is equals to 12x. Cross multiply, 7 is equals to 2 times 12x. 7 is equals to 24x. So we have that dividing both sides by 24, we have this to be 24x over 24, and this is going to cancel at this, and we have that x is equals to 7 over 24, and this becomes the final answer.